Alright boys, so yeah, welcome back to another one. It's quite dark. It's a night drive. It's my final drive of 2020. I did the same thing for 2019. So let's just get on the road, start talking. It's going to be how 2020 went, how I intend 2021 to go, but I said the same thing for this year. But first things first, does the car start? It's cold, it's old. Of course it starts. It's not even a question. So yeah, let's get on the road. If you enjoy this type of video, I know it's very dark, but please like and subscribe, comment any suggestions or improvements. And yeah, as I've said about 10 times now, let's go. So if you are new to the channel, this is my car. It's a 2005 Clio. Got purple lights, come on. But yeah, I've documented it all on the channel. So from the rims, the exhaust, the suspension, the steering wheel, everything you see in this car, I put on the channel. So go back and see all the playlists and stuff. But yeah, 2020 was quite a big year for this car. I lowered it, put on the exhaust, put on the steering wheel, put on that stupid purple light. So yeah, as for mods, it was quite a big year for me and for the channel. Hopefully you can hear me over that exhaust. So yeah, I just thought I'll do a little hands-free kind of video. I'm just showing, well, just talking really. I intend to do a couple of point of view drives. I want to clean my car point of view. I want to do a night drive point of view, like not like this, like a proper dedicated drive. And I want to also do a review of the exhaust because I've had it for about 6 months now. So just say my thoughts, my honest thoughts, would I recommend it? But yeah, 2020 was an interesting year. I think we all went into it with some plans. I intended to grow my channel to about 1,000 subscribers. We've just hit 600, which, if I'm being completely honest, that's a big jump. I think I started off the year with around 100 or so. So yeah, to get to 600, I'm really, like, I'm not even just saying it, I'm really proud. So yeah, thank you for literally all the support. Like, everyone says it, but it is truly appreciated. But anyway, 2020, a lot of mods have happened to the car. I think I wouldn't have done as many mods if it wasn't for being stuck in quarantine. Had nothing to do, so I thought I might as well do stuff to my car. But the mods would get done over time, but probably not as quickly as I did them, if that makes any sense. Also, I've done this video in the dark for 2 reasons. It gets dark at like 4 o'clock, so it's impossible to not do it in the dark, but I've got a camera on my head. I don't want to start getting funny looks. So yeah, we're kind of in the dark. And I've also got the sun strip, so you probably actually can't see anything. And I'm probably going to scrap this video. So what are my plans for 2021? Mainly for the channel, but also for me. But as I've said, I document everything on the channel anyway. I intend to buy a second car. Where it's a project car or an everyday car, it will be getting mods and it will definitely go on the channel. I do want to buy a project car, maybe like a Lupo or a Golf. But part of me also wants a Golf for like everyday use. But either way, as I've said, it will be getting mods. I don't hold back with mods. I know I'm driving a Clio, and if you're new to the channel, it sounds silly, but if I say something, 99% of the time I carry it through. So yeah, that's that. Another car should be coming to the channel. As for this car in specific, the coilovers will be fitted at some point. Like, towards the end of the year, I will be slamming this car to the ground. You have my word. And the rims will be getting changed. I get comments all the time on my Instagram. It's time to change rims. It's time to change rims. Yes, it's coming. So that's cars wise. If you ever followed my channel a while back, you would know I also did shoes. So like clothes and shoes, I bought and sell that. Bought and sold those, sorry. I've scrapped that now, and I now buy and sell private number plates. So if you follow my Instagram or my plate account, you'll see I do get quite a lot in stock. So yeah, I'm the plug for that. But I just think it's crazy how we came into, or me, I came into this year with some huge plans. Like, I was intending to do some quite big stuff. Like, I wanted to have a car meet. It sounds crazy, but I just think that would have been the coolest thing ever, holding my own car meet. but unfortunately, as everyone knows, a couple of things went a bit wrong in the world, and now we're in a pandemic. But that is still on the cards, and hopefully in 2021 I can get over the 1,000 subscriber. I call it a goal because it is a massive goal. Like, if you've ever tried to do YouTube, 9 times out of 10 it is a graft, and the best thing about me is I truly enjoy it. Like, I enjoy recording them, editing them. It doesn't take a lot of effort from me because I don't do high level edits, but that's what's fun. It's more raw, it's more fun. I enjoy it, and that's really all I care about. If I enjoy something, then I will carry on with it. I did actually already record a exhaust review, but I took it down just because I wasn't that happy with it. I will be recording another one in point of view, because I think that is the best way to, like, just show stuff off rather than trying to put a camera up in the car somewhere. Because this way I don't have to look at a camera, and I've got both my hands free, so it's like completely safe. It makes perfect sense. But yeah, in the daytime it should be easier. As I've said, it's very dark. The angle might be pointing at the ceiling. I don't know, but just tell me your thoughts, what I should improve. But yeah, today is the 29th or the 30th. I think it's the 30th actually. But this should be my last drive of 2020. So ending the year on a high, kind of, not really. We've just gone into tier 4. There's rumors of tier 5, like they're making up tiers every day. But I think that's what makes it fun. Fun being stuck indoors. If you know the channel, you know I haven't planned a script, which is why I'm waffling. So I've got 600 subscribers. That's great. I don't know how it's happened. Like, I'm never organized ever. The channel's actually on 99,000 views at the moment. Like, overall it's about to hit 100,000 views, which that is insane. Like, genuinely 100,000 views. Like, if you think about, like, the people in, like, a stadium, like a football stadium, like, or things like that, 100,000 views is a couple of people. So yeah, I don't mean to keep on saying the same thing. I think I've even said that a couple of times, but I'm truly grateful for everything. Thank you for all the support. I do intend to keep on trying at this game, the YouTube game, see where it goes, and hopefully the more cars I get, like project cars, just other cars in general, that should help the channel more as well. But me personally, I've never done anything specifically for the channel, and I think that's what makes it great. I do it because I enjoy it. Whether that's great for the channel, I don't know. Maybe I could be on more subs, but I don't really care about the sub count. I just care about everyone enjoying it. Stop the conversation. We're going through the bus station, so that the camera probably won't do it any justice, but it's fairly loud, fairly loud. So 2021, I want at least one more car. This Clio won't be going anywhere. I'll tell you that now, this car won't go anywhere. I think my best bet is to go for a more sensible everyday car, such as a Golf, because they're reliable, they're good. Probably actually get a Mark 6, to be fair. They're my favorites, but it depends on pricing. Might have to go for a Mark 5, but chances are it will be a Golf. And I've said this, and I'll probably go and get a Seat or something. But yeah, this was just kind of a roundup video. I think I've said, but yeah, if someone could do a counter for all the times I've said it over the year, oh my god, like, I am sorry that you've watched this. But 2021, we're gonna hit the ground sprinting, not running, sprinting. And yeah, just see what we can truly do. Once this car isn't my main car, it is going to get sent, and I'm not saying sent to space, 1,000 brake horsepower, but not power wise, but looks wise, it won't be the same car, and I can probably promise you that. So yeah, it was a quick one, as always. Wasn't very good. Hopefully you enjoyed. I'm basically just trying to say subscribe for the future, because it's easy for me to say, but 2020 will be a big year, hopefully, if it all goes to plan, touch wood. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, comment any suggestions or improvements. Hopefully I'll see you in another one. Cheers.